Hello, students. Welcome to the science class. Uh, Yesterday, that is, in the last class, we had started with the chapter Motion and Measurement of Distances, where we had discussed about the numericals. From today onwards, today uh, as well as tomorrow, we will discuss about the question answers. Basically, those were taken from awareness. Okay, so let's proceed. More or less, these questions are very short answers from awareness. State the type of motion exhibited by the bullet fired from a gun. As the movement shows the movement in the straight line, so it is the rectilinear motion. The motion shows here is the rectilinear motion. Rectilinear means something which is in the straight line. Next question. A girl is sitting on a merry-go-round. What type of motion is she having? Merry-go-round means somebody sitting in the merry-go-round, and merry-go-round is moving in a circular manner. So the person who's sitting over the merry-go-round, they definitely will show circular motion. What type of motion do the vehicles in a straight road perform? Even I had said before also, that is the motion of the vehicle on the straight line, or motion something related to the straight line, says about the rectilinear motion. So the motion which is exhibited by the vehicle which is moving in the straight line is the rectilinear motion. What type of motion is represented by the march past? March past of the soldiers in a parade. Now the soldier in the march past, they, although they are moving in the straight line, but they are repeating the same movement again and again. Front back, that is the same type of movement. So when the same type of movement is happening again and again, we say this type of movement as periodic motion. So the soldiers showing here periodic motion. Next, a point is marked on the blade of a ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is then switched on. What type of motion is described by the point marked on the blade? Suppose you are taking a example of a ceiling fan where a particular point is marked. Now the ceiling fan, you are switched it on. After some time, the ceiling fan will keep on moving, and after some time, I mean, this pattern of movement is known as the circular motion. Next, what type of motion is exhibited by the swinging pendulum? In case of pendulum, you can see the repetitive movement is happening with the same path, following the same pathway. Okay, from left to right, again left to right, same thing. Same pathway is being repeated after a certain interval, and this type of motion we call it as periodic motion. So in case of the swinging pendulum, we can perform, or I mean, it can perform the periodic motion. Next, what type of motion is exhibited by the sprinter in a 100-meter race? You can imagine a sprinter is running very fast in a straightaway direction, in a straightaway path. And where there is a straightaway path, where there is a straightaway location, straightaway motion, we call it is an rectilinear motion. So the sprinter here is showing the rectilinear motion. Next is the state the type of motion exhibited by the branch of a tree. Moving to and fro. Now, moving to and fro means covering the same pathway. Moving the same pathway or covering the same pathway, it is called the periodic motion. That means again and again following the same route, same pathway it is following, going and coming back, going and coming back, it is following the same pathway, and this motion is called as the periodic motion. The next is name two types of motion which is exhibited by a ball rolling on the ground. See, a ball when rolling on the ground, whichever direction it goes, it never goes in a zigzag manner. Had you seen a ball ever going in a zigzag manner? No. On the ground, it will go in a straight way path. Maybe the direction, is different, maybe sometime north towards north, northeastern, south, southeastern, anywhere the direction can be anywhere, but the motion or the motion of the pathway it takes is the rectilinear. So the motion here is the rectilinear motion, and along with the same time ball is rotating on its axis. Ball keeps on rotating on its axis, and while rotating on its axis it is moving in a straightway line, straightway path. So we are calling it, the it is showing two types of motion, the rotational motion as well as the rectilinear motion. Name any two animals which were used for transport purpose in ancient times. In ancient times, there is no invention of the wheel. So as a result of which the people or the trans or the luggage used to be transported from one place to the other place on the animal. And during doing this, the animal, that is the cows and the cats, they are sorry, cows and the goat uh, are the major two animals which are doing this, uh, which are substituting the wheels. Name any two wheeled vehicles produced pulled by animals. See, even nowadays also you could have seen it. That is the bullock cart and the horse cart. These are being taken. These are by pulled by two types of animals. One is the horse, and another one is the bullock, or the, say, bull type of animal, which are pulling the cart. So these are known as the horse cart and the bullock cart. Next is name any two body parts of a person which can be used as a unit of measuring length. So nowadays, the in order to measure the length we have different types of scales, that is meter scale, normal scale. Even you have a scale also, that is in a foot scale, fifth scale, it is marked 12 inches. So for the reading purpose, for study purpose, we use this type of scale. Then for cloth purpose or for measuring the cloth piece, we use meter scale, and so on. But beforehand, people used to measure the length, or the measurement is being done with the body parts like the forearm and the hand span. That is the hand feet, and hand distance or the forearm distance used to be taken as a unit of, or taken as a help to measure the length. Okay, so I hope this chapters, with some question answers, basically the very short question answers already are clear from the awareness. Tomorrow again we will start with some other question answers from the awareness book of this chapter. Till then, all of you stay safe, stay well. Thank you.